Have you ever heard of the cosmic microwave background? This faint glow permeates the universe, a remnant from the Big Bang itself. Discovered in 1965 by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, it's the oldest light we can observe, dating back to when the universe was just 380,000 years old. This radiation offers a snapshot of the early cosmos, revealing a hot, dense state that evolved over billions of years into the universe we know today. Its uniformity across the sky raises questions about the universe's initial conditions. Why is it smooth? How did it lead to the structures we see now? These mysteries continue to fascinate scientists and spark debates about the universe's origins.